Hello guys, I'm Udipan Biswas back with another video. So friends, today's topic is like I will show you like how to make your Redmi Note 5 Plus full screen. Like I mean by full screen means don't think that black stuffs above your screen that will also become your screen. Not that. Like example, this buttons here, this will disappear and your apps will come down here and it will look like it's full. There is no back button. So it's very easy, but some people don't find it. So I'm gonna show you this. So friends, let's get started. So friends, like before I show you how to do that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new and tap the bell icon, and please like my video. So first I'll go to my settings. So first I'll show you that this is my Redmi Note 5 Plus only. I'm not using any other phones to fool you. So I'll go to about my phone and you can see here Redmi Note 5. So it is clear. If you want, you can see the other options also here. I'm not trying to fool you. So this is a very easy one, as I told before. So you can go to the full screen display and you can see here the buttons is selected. So you have to press on full screen. Now it will tell learn gestures. Like if you have used this full screen before, then if you know all the gestures, then you can press on not now. Like if you are using this first time, then you have to learn this. This is very important. So press on learn. So in this one they're telling like you're in an app and you want to go back because of the full screen you don't have any back button. So you have to do this thing, like you have to press from down and swipe up. Like if you do from here also it won't work, like extremely at the bottom. Like you can see my this, like from here if you do it won't work, like from the extreme bottom you have to do. As you can see, I went back. So now in this one they are trying to show that if you want to go to your history, so what you have to do means same at the very bottom, pull a little bit and pause for a little time. After pausing, as you can see, if I release my hand, I have come to my history. So this one, like you have opened two apps, like you are in the latest app and you want to go to your previous app. So you can just swipe from the right side, I mean extreme right. So as you can see, and the same thing, like you're in the app and you want to go, like you're in a previous app and you want to go to the latest app which you have opened. So same thing, in this case you have to swipe from extreme left. This is very important, don't forget you have to swipe from the extreme left, otherwise this won't work. So you are ready to rock? Yes, we are always ready to rock. Now I'll press I am done. As you can see there is no back button, so to go back from the extreme bottom I'll swipe up. As you can see, if you want you can keep your mobile like this, there is no back buttons. As you can see there is no back here. So I want to go to my history, like I'll press on gallery example, and from the extreme bottom I'll do like this. I have come to my history, I mean. So thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. And friends, one thing, like if you don't want this full screen, like because of your like because you wanted to try this, you have tried, now you want to go to your regular one. So it's the same thing, go to your settings, full screen, and press your buttons, and there you go, your back buttons are back. I prefer that you keep these back buttons because they are useful, like you are in some like you want to do something fastly, like you want to call somebody because you have some emergency, so you can use this fastly. So thank you friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be making many contents like this, and if you want me to make any video for you like on any content, so I'll try my level best. So please subscribe to my channel. So thank you friends again. Peace out for today.